Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Vijayta, and if you're new here, do hit the subscribe button and join the tribe. So today I'll be doing a review of a very powerful advanced technology hair dryer. So let's get started with the review. So I personally prefer very simple and neat hair look, but you want to have control over the amount of heat you are making your hair go through, which you only get with really expensive products like Dyson. If you do not invest this much amount, then you really do not have very good options in terms of technology. And personally, I do not think that it's a good idea to spend so much money just to have a decent hair look. Beauty should be accessible to everyone. Moving on to the review. This hair dryer by the brand XMT comes with multiple styling options. With the power output of 1400 watts, it is capable of giving a salon-like finish, and the description on the box is very precise. This hair dryer comes in the same look as Dyson, and it is priced at 1/4 of Dyson's price. It comes with multiple attachments to achieve a desirable blow-dry look. There are 5 different heads for different needs. My favorite attachment has to be the flyaway tamer. It makes the life so much easier. The box also comes with this wall mount, which allows you to hang it in your vanity. And no points for guessing that the 360-degree magnetic attachments make the process effortless. Box also comes with a removable filter cage, which allows easy cleaning. The motor is set in the handle itself, which makes the dryer really lightweight. Now let's talk about the features. This XMT 1400 watt hair dryer comes with multiple air technologies. It allows drying at 3 different temperatures, and the 28 degrees cool shot technology allows you to set your style. It has negative ion technology, which closes the hair shaft and makes it smooth by reducing frizz. Now I'm going to demonstrate how it functions. There are 2 buttons at the handle of the hair dryer. The top one is to switch it on and off, and below is the cool shot button. In the magenta ring, there are 2 buttons. One is to control the airflow and the other one is to set the heat temperature. The soft mouthpiece is for sensitive scalp and hair. It blows cooler air. There are 2 styling concentrators which allow focused area styling. These are a great help when you're doing different hairdos. This one is a diffuser. It helps to improve the curl structure gently and evenly. This one is a flyaway tamer. This is a great tool in today's day and age when baby hair after regrowth is a huge problem. So all in all, I feel this is a 100 on 10 product. Now coming to the price segment, it is priced around 9k. You can use my coupon code FF3k to get a discount of 3000 on this product. The net price after discount is 5,999 rupees. Now a lot more people can afford this technology and get access to it. So all in all, this product is Vijayta approved and I highly recommend this. So go and get your hands on it. It is available exclusively on the official website of XMT. This product comes with 1 year of warranty. The first 500 customers who order from the link given in the description box will receive a 3 months extended warranty. If you make the payment through UPI, you will be able to avail the combo offer of receiving exempt Air Pro pods worth 2,999. Totally free with it. If you place the order on COD, you will have to pay a 500 rupees confirmation charge in advance, and you can pay the rest of the amount once you receive the product. If you want to extend the warranty up to 6 months, you can do that by paying an additional fee of 750 rupees plus GST. By doing this video, I'm just trying to bring a product to you all which can make beauty accessible to a lot more people, and I hope that you also feel the same, that finally there is a product which is not going to break the bank for just styling your hair. Yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you try this product and really like it, do comment down in this video so that I'll come up with more such options for you all. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.